The second product on our list is the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus. A well-known and reliable unit, the Roomba is another robot vacuum with a self-emptying ability. It is built with sturdy plastic, and its wheels are made of durable rubber. The top cover is a textured plastic, and on it are 3 control buttons. It also has a built-in internal dustbin. When this bin is filled, the robot returns to its base station and automatically empties itself into a larger dirt bag. The dock station is tall but narrow enough to maintain a compact size. A pair of multi-surface rubber brushes, 1 edge sweeping brush, and 2 wheels for propulsion are underneath the robot. The Roomba i3 works better on bare floors, picking up small debris like mud and spilled pet food. It studies your home and creates a smart map that allows it to move efficiently in straight lines. We like that after cleaning, it produces a map of its movement so that you can see the clean areas on the app. With the app, you can also set a cleaning schedule, view battery status, cleaning records, and more. The Roomba i3 has a good battery life. It provides up to 90 minutes of continuous use. When it is low, it returns to the dock to recharge, which can take another 90 minutes, and then resumes cleaning right where it left off at full charge. If you need a workhorse you can rely on, this is the device for you. Its pros are, it can detect dirtier areas of your home to clean them thoroughly, it can store up to 60 days of dirt, and it works well with Alexa and Google Assistant, making it effortless to use. However, it struggles to navigate long pile carpets and fringed rugs, which can be an issue in some homes. The iRobot Roomba i3 is ideal for anyone looking for a simple and effective robot vacuum with a large storage bin and a fast-charging battery. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals in each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.